What would happen if you were swallowed by a sperm whale? Well, first, you would have to face its 20-centimeter long teeth, sharp as a kitchen knife. And the sperm whale has 40 to 50 such teeth. If you are extremely lucky to avoid all the teeth, then you will fall down its throat. Very quickly, you will start to feel short of breath, and as you slide further down the throat, some stomach acid will begin to corrode your skin. If you successfully pass through the throat, you will enter the first and largest of the sperm whale's 4 stomachs. Here, you will finally be able to see some light, which is emitted by the squid that the sperm whale loves to eat. After enjoying the light show in the stomach, you will be thrown into another stomach. A large amount of stomach acid will corrode every inch of your skin. If you're still lucky, in the next few hours, you will wander back and forth in the whale's several stomachs. At this point, the temperature of over 50 degrees Celsius will cause you to lose consciousness, and the place of death you're about to enter is the whale's final stomach. Here, most of the whale's food will be forcibly digested and become part of the whale. If you are still lucky enough to survive, you will then enter the whale's intestines, where the intense peristalsis can easily crush you. And finally, you will be expelled from the body, along with other food, as the whale's excrement. If you manage to survive all the aforementioned dangers, since sperm whales live in the deep sea at a depth of 2,000 meters, the human body cannot withstand the water pressure in their habitat. Once you come into contact with it, you will be instantly crushed, and the final outcome would still be inevitable.